The Ubiquitous Display is an autonomous mobile robot which has been being researched and developed for providing user-friendly information to people by projecting CG-based information directly on the wall or on the floor. The Ubiquitous Display is called UD for short. The UD consists of a four-wheeled omnidirectional mobile robot and an image projector with pan-tilt mechanisms. Due to this structure, the UD is able to display information on any places, including walls and floors, and people can get the information whenever and wherever without carrying any special devices. This video introduces research outputs of the UD until 2008. The UD research started since 2006. The UD was composed of a two-wheeled mobile platform and a pan-tilt projector. This shows that the UD is performing path guidance in building. In 2007, the UD could project blur-free images without changing its position and size even while the UD was moving. And in 2008, the UD succeeded to display CG images which can be seen as 3D since the UD provided CG images in consideration of the user's eyes. Due to this, users could get more intuitive information since the image projected on the floor was perceived as 3D. This photo image is showing the UD which was used previously. Recently, the UD is mainly researched on the purpose of effective advertisement activity in a large shopping mall for the customers. The autonomous actions to provide advertisement are especially focused on. Bulletin boards and floor maps can be considered as passive information display methods since it requires users to move themselves in order to get information. But by providing information within the sight of users or by superimposing CG information on the real objects, UD is pursuing active information display. While the UD is moving in a shopping mall, the UD should consider its optimal position and path in order to prevent the blemishes due to obstacles which block the projected light from the UD. Since the projected images from the UD are distorted when the image is projected on the floor or on the wall, the image should be distorted intentionally by the UD in advance to be seen correctly by people. The detailed behavior of UD in a shopping mall is as follows. The UD makes the rounds until it finds the user who wants information service. The UD calculates the best positions for the projected image and the UD itself. The UD moves to the calculated position and projects CG information of advertisement where the user can easily see it. The contents of the advertisement can be bargain information of a nearby shop, or it can be descriptions of a shop. The influenced users may enter the shops or they can get lots of useful information. The UD's behavior model in a shopping mall was verified with a CG-based computer simulation. In the shopping mall, there are lots of customers. When the UD finds a potential user, the UD approaches the user and projects information about shops. If the user does not show interest in the information, the user ignores the information and walks away. Then, the UD tries to find another user to provide advertisement information. For the future, the computer simulation for verifying the newly developed UD's advertisement and guidance behavior model in the shopping mall will be done. The planned scenario is as follows. The UD projects a menu screen in front of a user. For instance, if the user asks the UD for guidance, the UD provides a category selection on screen. When the user selects one from the provided categories, the UD starts guidance and provides various information including nearby shop information until the user reaches the final destination. By this kind of service, users will not be forced to move to fixed information displays such as bulletin boards or the floor maps to find information. Also, it is different from the case of using mobile devices, including a smartphone. Since big visual information is provided on the environment directly, the user does not suffer stress due to small monitor windows, or does the user risk collision while moving. Moreover, the user is able to enjoy moving since the UD provides various information including bargain sales, event schedules, specialty of shops, and so on.